The concept of reduce in construction is one of the main principles of an eco-friendly approach. Reduce can mean reducing the use of building materials, reducing energy and water consumption, lower carbon dioxide emission, less waste generated throughout the whole life cycle of the building. Reducing the use of building materials in eco-friendly construction involves designing buildings more efficiently to use fewer resources. This can include optimizing structural design, using prefabricated elements, and selecting durable, multifunctional or recycled materials. The goal is to minimize the impact that material use can have on the natural environment. This goal is also directly related to the concept of material reuse, as described in Scene 3 of the Reuse Ecological Issues panel. Reducing energy and water consumption in sustainable construction focuses on using resources more efficiently to lessen environmental impact. In terms of energy, this can include implementing energy-efficient systems, improving insulation, using renewable energy sources, and applying principles of passive design. When it comes to water consumption reduction, this can involve installing water-saving fixtures and technologies, introducing water catchment systems and wastewater treatment facilities, or other methods for reusing grey and black water. Lower overall carbon dioxide emission throughout the building's life cycle is another principle of the reduce concept. It can be achieved not only by using fewer materials, but also choosing low-emission or recycled products and optimizing construction processes. These actions contribute to climate change mitigation and support sustainable development goals. Low-carbon materials can be low-processed or natural-based, e.g., hempcrete, timber, clay-based construction materials, and straw bales. Less waste generated throughout the whole life cycle of the building refers to minimizing construction, operational, and demolition waste by reducing the overall consumption of building materials. This approach promotes thoughtful design, efficient use of resources, and careful planning to avoid overordering or unnecessary use of materials. It also involves selecting durable, recyclable, or reusable materials which can extend a building's lifespan and reduce the need for frequent replacements. By minimizing waste at each stage, from construction to demolition, environmental impact is reduced. The greatest need for reducing construction and demolition waste in Europe clearly concerns concrete. Waste from this material accounted for over 56% of all construction waste in Europe. In reference to the issue of material exploitation and its derivative, waste generation, the ecological significance of the reduce concept should be directly seen in reducing CO2 emissions associated with the production and transportation of materials, limiting the exploitation of natural resources, such as sand, wood, aggregate, and coal, reducing the amount of construction waste that is difficult to dispose of.